So in this recursion example, we are going to experience a return that makes two additional method calls. So it's going to increase the number of recursions we're going to encounter. So we're here to evaluate the method weirder with parameters 3, 2. So when we make this call, we see that the first parameter is R, the second parameter is S, and we go up to our conditional statements, and we see that if R is equal to 0, or if R is equal to S, we will return 1. Neither condition is true, so we go to the else statement, and we're going to return. I'm going to substitute weirder with just a W. It's going to be weirder. R minus 1 is 2, and S is 2, plus weirder. R minus 1 is 2, and S minus 1 is 1. So now we have two recursive calls. R equals 2, S equals 2 in the weirder 2, 2 call. Since R is equal to S, it will return 1. And then the weirder 2, 1 call, R equals 2, S equals 1. We see that R is not equal to 0 and R is not equal to S, so this is going to produce two more method calls. So weirder, R minus 1, so it's going to be 1, and then S is 1, plus weirder, R minus 1, S minus 1. So we go back up to our conditional. We see that since R is equal to S, this first one is going to return a 1. And here we have R equals 1, S equals 0. Since R is not 0 and R is not equal to S, we're going to produce two more method calls. So weirder, R minus 1 is 0, comma, S is 0, plus weirder, R minus 1 is 0, S minus 1 is negative 1. And we see that in both cases R is 0. That is one of our conditions in the if statement. So for both of these, they will return a 1. And now we can start the backlog. This whole call is going to return the value 2. And the value 2 is going to backlog to weirder 1, 0. And now we see this whole call is 1 plus 2, so we get 3. And that 3 is going to return to weirder 2, 1. And this whole call will result in a 1 plus 3, which is 4. And that will be the result of weirder 3, 2.